just wondering how you approach treatment if, if I'm a little bit worried that it's something like that potentially, or I know that's something you probably can't diagnose.
Well, no, I can absolutely diagnose discs,
Okay.
and I've seen many discs and I've gotten many discs better. The thing about discs is that they take more time as compared to like a simple joint related issue. If you actually have a bulging of the squishy stuff between our vertebrae, that takes more time for it to resorb back into its normal location.
Yeah.
There is a specific program that can be done to help encourage this happen and, decrease recovery times.
Yeah.
Mackenzie extension in the neck, and we can absolutely walk through that too.